Hello, hello, hello. My name is Jonathan O'Hara, and this is kicking off my first video as part of my Real Men Wear Pink campaign. In case you don't know what the Real Men Wear Pink campaign is, let me tell you about it. Real Men Wear Pink is a distinguished group of community leaders raising awareness and funds for this year's Making Strides Against Breast Cancer event. I don't know if I'm distinguished or not, but I am a community person. Basically, we're raising monies for the American Cancer Society so that they can promote early detection and prevention, fund groundbreaking research, and give patients support wherever and whenever they need it. My promise was that for a minimum donation of $15, I would sing, lip sync, or dance to 30 to 60 seconds of any song you want, whether I know it or not. So this first one is going out to my friend and colleague Shari Routch. She chose the song It's Raining Men, and she requested that I wear wigs. Well, she didn't request it, I volunteered. So, here we go. Enjoy.
Your weather girl. And have we got news for you?
You better listen.
Get ready, all you lonely girls, and leave those umbrellas at home.
All right.
It's rising.
Rising.
Problems getting low.
How low, girl?
According to all sources.
What sources now?
The streets, the place to
We better
go.
hurry up.
'Cause tonight for the first time, just about 10:30, for the first time in history, it's gonna start raining men. It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. Amen.
I'm gonna go out